Do you want to use AI to translate your content into Spanish and expand your business into Latin America? Stick around because I'm going to share two crucial skills you need to master for effective translations. Hi, I'm Junuel from Mexico. I've been translating professionally from English to Spanish for over 10 years, working with world-class brands. Number one, translation consistency. One of the biggest mistakes AI makes when translating is inconsistency. Sometimes it uses one word today and a completely different one tomorrow, even in the same context. The issue here is that AI sometimes picks words that Spanish speakers don't actually use or understand. Worse yet, I've seen AI use two different translations for the same word in the same text. This can confuse your audience and weaken your message. So how do you fix this? By creating glossaries, a standardized list of words and phrases to ensure consistency in your translations. When AI has a glossary, it adapts the gender, number, and verb tense according to the text, and your team can use the same terminology, ensuring clarity, reducing errors, and boosting productivity. Want to develop this skill? Learn how to build glossaries. Here are two ways. Number one, ChatGPT glossaries. Train a custom GPT with specific instructions on how to translate your content. You can even ask it to simplify metaphors or complex phrases. Please keep in mind that metaphors in English don't always translate properly. Some platforms like DeepL offer built-in glossaries. DeepL describes it like this. DeepL glossaries give users the power to specify their own translations for words and phrases, ensuring the use of industry and company-specific vocabulary. Skill number two, attention to detail. Here is something ironic. DeepL is an AI translation tool, but its own website isn't well translated. That suggests a lack of attention to detail, or maybe they just relied too much on AI. For example, I found a mistranslation of how to get started that didn't make sense in Spanish. Without the English version, I wouldn't have understood it. Many businesses make this mistake, publishing unclear translations on their websites. But how many customers are they losing because their content doesn't make sense in another language? How much damage is this doing to their brand? To improve your attention to detail, study how Spanish speakers search for information. And this is where sites like Answer the Public can help. This tool shows real search queries that people type into search engines. It helps you identify common sentence structures and expressions in Spanish. Compare English versus Spanish phrasing. Direct translation often sound unnatural. Discover regional terminology differences. For instance, computadora versus ordenador, celular versus móvil. Let's say you are translating content about email marketing. If you type email marketing into Answer the Public and select Spain or Mexico, you'll see real searches like ejemplos de campañas de email marketing exitosas. ¿Cómo hacer email marketing efectivo para mi negocio? Errores comunes en email marketing. By comparing these questions and phrases with their English versions, you can adjust your translations to sound more natural and relevant. If you are translating blogs, landing pages, or ads, you also need to optimize your content for Spanish SEO. Many direct translations fail in SEO because English keywords don't always have an exact Spanish equivalent. Let's see another example. Sales funnel. Let's say you are translating the blog How to Create a Sales Funnel. A direct translation would be Cómo crear un embudo de ventas. But what if Answer the Public shows that more people search for Cómo hacer un funnel de ventas? Then using the word funnel would be a smarter choice for better search rankings and audience connection. If you want your AI translations to be natural, effective, and SEO-friendly, mastering consistency and attention to detail is essential. Use glossaries to ensure your translations stay consistent, and use tools like Answer the Public to find the exact terms Spanish speakers use. If you want more AI translation strategies, write the word translation in the comments.